Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make beautiful thumbnails. Thumbnails play a crucial role in growing your channel. So before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell icon for faster updates. Think about your topic and how to present it in one image. For example, take my thumbnails. They contain a face, a logo, clear text, and also a cool background. And never use your non-famous face because no one cares about your face like me. So use face someone like Jet would be so awesome. So I'll be searching for a photo of Jet in Google and be downloading it and erasing the background using the background eraser. The app link will be in the description down below. If you want a tutorial on how to erase background of an image, comment down below, so I'll be making a dedicated video on it.
It's only game.
And after erasing perfect, it looks something like this. Let's search for a cool background in Google and download it afterwards.
Several days later.
Searching for a lot of time, I found this cool background. Now for the second step, that is assembly. Let's use this app called as Pixel app. I think you might know it. Let's go to make it the whole background as transparent. Click on and just make it to 16:9 and import all the files to our Pixel app and play with the settings a little bit here. And also don't forget to add stroke to your images because the stroke makes it more beautiful to look. So after fixing it in all positions, let's move on to the third step. The third step is mostly very important, that is clear text. Guys, I'm telling you once again, it is the most important step because clear text makes your thumbnail more effective and more descriptive. So make sure you add some clear text. You can use your own text. Or the default text which are available in Pixel app. I will be using the default text. Those are so beautiful, and you can even use HDVD Corel or even your choice. You can download from 1001 fonts and other websites. So after adjusting, and also add the stroke to the text because that makes it more brighter. Also, additional tip is that add shadow to the text because that will increase the clearance of the text. And also make sure you add your logo because no one copies from you. And that's it. Export the video in ultra quality to your gallery. So yeah, after that's it. You have made your thumbnail so perfectly. And thanks for watching the video till here. Make sure you like this video and also comment down below and also subscribe to the channel. And thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Bye.